Hi guys, hope you are all doing great. So today is my first ever unboxing kind of video, so forgive me for sounding so awkward, and I hope you bear with me up until the end. Anyway, so I got this Rilakkuma label maker from Brother, and I bought it in National Bookstore for around 3,150 pesos, yes, or I guess 50 to 60 US dollars. And so let's get into the unboxing itself. So this is how it looks like inside. It's got this thick protective plastic. The usual guide book and manual, and manual for instructions and how to use it. And I really don't know what's that other paper for. And this is the sticker tape itself, the label itself, the label tape itself that you're going to put inside the machine. It comes with it in the initial package already, and if ever you're going to, or if ever you'll be needing an extra, it's around $11 to $15, 500 plus pesos. So this is how it looks like in close-up. It's very sleek, and the buttons feels soft and easy to type in. That part is probably the one that cuts the tape when it's done printing. And this AV cable cord is, I think, only applicable in Australia. And I really don't know exactly what it does. And this is the opening button in the back, so you just have to push it a little bit, and this is how it looks like inside. The only thing that's a disadvantage for me with this label maker is it's got 6 pieces of AAA battery to make it work, and it means you'll be needing like a lot of extras just in case. So this is how you put the sticker label inside. There's actually a mini drawing at the bottom so that you can see how to put it in. And if you notice that green part, it's the tape, so you'll be able to see inside if like how thick tape you've got left. So now we're gonna turn it on. will try to print something, and I will just delete the previous word that I wrote, which is Bubu-Chan Adventures, my kind of internet name. And after typing the word that you want, just press print and you're good to go. And this is how the final product looks like. So it's a bit shiny because it's laminated, but it's okay, I guess. So that's all of it for my first ever unboxing video. Thank you for bearing with me up until the end. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See ya!